someday.
If you have natural hair, you must know that the shampoo process is the most manipulative step of your whole hair routine. And this is why I love to do a pre-shampoo step right before the shampoo to prep my hair, because look at those tangles. I've been rotating through different hairstyles for the past couple of weeks, and since today is wash day, I'm going to take you through my pre-shampoo process and how I prep my hair for a smooth wash day and to ensure length retention. I already went through the process on one half of my hair, and this is what it looks like, detangled and sectioned, and that is the goal of this whole process. So let's get into it. I use a two-part pre-poo method, from hair pre-shampoo where I detangle to scalp pre-shampoo where I basically try to lift all the build-up ready for shampooing. Since this process is focused on detangling, you'll need either one of these. The wide tooth comb gently detangles without causing breakage, and I like to pair it with this brush for a more thorough detangling, especially on the roots. For today, I'm going to be using this brush which easily glides through my hair and doesn't cause any breakage. You'll also need water which hydrates the hair, and adds sleep which is needed for detangling. You also need a product with enough sleep. I'll be using this pre-shampoo by African Pride, and it's perfect if you have dry, tangled hair. Aside from that, flaxseed gel also adds sleep needed to detangle. You can also use an oil mixture which is perfect for a hot oil treatment, especially if your hair is dry. Now for detangling, the process is simple. Hydrate the hair and apply your detangling product, followed by the actual detangling, and put your hair in sections ready for the shampooing process.
That cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth.
Before we proceed, take a close look at these tangles. This right here is why you can't skip pre-shampoo. Shampooing your hair in this state will cause so much breakage, but pre-shampooing gets rid of all the tangles and helps with length retention. Now keep in mind, for low porosity hair, you'll need to use warm water, then follow up with your pre-poo products and use lightweight oils if you're doing an oil mixture. And the opposite is right for high porosity hair. I then go ahead and generously apply my pre-shampoo to my hair. It helps add sleep to my hair, melts tangles, it moisturizes and even hydrates the hair, making it easy to detangle. Before I use my brush to detangle, I start with finger detangling. It's the best way to find any knots, remove the shed hair and separate the tangles without causing hair breakage. This way you don't fight through tangles with the brush, and it allows for length retention. As I detangle each section, I move upwards from ends to roots. This is where I take my time. The ends are the oldest and the most fragile part of the hair, so they need the most patience and care. With the ends fully detangled, I slowly work my way up the length, and the brush easily glides through without forcing it. The roots hold all the shed hair and the new growth, so I add extra product and detangle, making sure the brush reaches my scalp for a thorough detangling. After detangling, I twist up the sections and will use the same twisted sections to shampoo my hair.
Father, Alpha, Omega, my maker, Almighty One. I just don't have enough words to give you the praise you deserve. It's about that time I take a deep dive and I go all in. Faith like I'm walking on water, I better not fall in. Yeah, I'ma keep my eyes on you. Seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 plus 2. No more burdens cause I trust in you. You are all I need. And I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like Matthew 6:33. Set apart, covered and blessed. I serve God and say it with my chest. Wake up, thankful for his patience, grace and salvation. So nobody bothering me. No weapons formed against me shall prosper. Uncovered in God's armor. Yeah, if you say go, then I'll go. Lord, I only answer to you. So I'ma keep my eyes on you. Seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 plus 2. No more burdens cause I trust in you. You are all I need.
Now that my hair is fully detangled, I move on to the scalp pre-shampoo process. You only need one product, a scalp cleanser. This is what will help to break down the buildup before shampooing. I either use this scalp tonic from Seapuri, which is a foam leave-in cleanser. It lifts all the buildup and preps the scalp for washing.
Give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like
Another one I love is the waterless cleanser by Dark and Lovely, which I massage into the scalp. It lifts all the excess oils and the dirt from the scalp. This way my shampoo can easily foam and actually do its job.
you say go.